Today I'll be doing this pen which I bought from Crossword in Kanpur just few days back. This is, as you see, it's a roller ball pen, and it retails for 2000 INR, and it's called Urban Premium Deluxe Dark Purple CT. So this pen is from Parker with this cardboard outer cover, and it looks so inside this is the premium Parker box, established in 1888 with black check pattern, and this is the box. Beautiful packaging, I would say. So just quickly open it up. So it says Parker here, and this one is having like a cushion in here. You see this? It's like a cushion. So this is the pen right here. It comes with a roll ball refill, and guys, this is the pen. So the tag says Urban Premium Deluxe Dark Purple CTRP 2000 INR. I bought this in purple color, that's why it is like purple. This it's like like a dual tone thing, and the weight distribution, this one is quite heavy, and it's it is metal. So you quickly open it up, and this is the body. Inside it has this matching color, like matching color to the body, a bit kind of lighter shade of the body. This is a nice gesture. I've seen many different Parker pens in the past, but frankly I have not seen the one in which that this part actually matches the body. So yeah, this pen, I haven't tried it yet, but once I'll try, I will definitely update my review. So far, this is the review of Parker pen right here, which retails for 2000 bucks. Okay guys, thank you for watching. In fact, there's one more thing I want to tell you before I before I stop this video. You can actually pull this out like this, and inside it comes with this warranty card. It's like this warranty is valid for I think 6 months or something, and it can be this can work all over India. So yeah. Hey guys, thank you so much. Thanks for watching.